Hello guys! Welcome back to our Labada series. It's a normal day. Buti naman walang ulan like the last time. Kung naalala nyo. So ayan, may Labada na tayo guys. This is the first Labada series of November. And it's also Allsouls Day. So yes. Yan lang guys. So, let's get started. I don't know what else to say.
I'm here. Hello.
Yes, my mom is also here, guys. Nanonood siya, guys.
Makain. Kain ka muna. Meron kaming snack, oh.
I have my own towel, guys.
Dami naman. Nagaling sila rin magbanyan sa.
Sinabi niyo meron mo daw snack. Hindi. Sinabihan ko pa siya, but I don't know if he listened.
We are eating Nova. Pero wala kaming drink. Wala nag-sponsor ng drink.
Ayun o.
Saan? More? No. Tubig pa lang naman yan eh. Ito naman yung sabon. Magalit tayo dyan sa dito mo lang.
Okay.
May nakasalang pa sa washing-machine kaya mamaya ka na. Basahin mo muna.
Guys, meron pang damit sa washing machine. There's still, the washing machine is full, so we can't occupy it for now. Learning English, so good English. It's very occupied, so we can't bother it right now. Baka maanoy siya, guys. Also, grabe. Bilis na ng panahon. The time flies by really fast. Because it's already November.
It's not Christmas.
Oh, yes, it's almost Christmas. But you know what else is near? My birthday, guys.
Hello, malapit na birthday mo.
Like, can you believe it? It's almost 2026. Like, grabe.
Parang bago lang mag-25, no?
Yeah. Because, you know, when I asked, that time I remember, I asked my mom, when did we get our car? And she said 2 years ago. Like, that felt like it was months ago. You know how that feels? I don't know, guys? Pero Happy New Year. Happy New Month. May ganun ba, guys? Is there something like that? Does Happy New Month exist? I mean, if it exists, then if I can say it, then it exists. So, Happy New Month, guys. There's also Allsouls Day, which is for the souls of the dead ones, guys. In this tradition, we light up candles, and you can see, as you can see in my previous videos. I don't know, guys.
We light candles because we're supposed to visit at the cemetery.
Yes.
Wala dito yung cemetery ng yung mga departed loved ones natin. Kaya nag-light tayo ng candles. Nakbalik ka rin naman. Balik ka rin mo ba? Hindi, dapat yung dapat yung hindi inside out ang nasa pag nag-washing.
So, upside down. Upside down. Okay. Pero
Hello?
The other one was
Dapat hindi.
It's pretty hard to squeeze when it's big, like, I don't know. But it's thick, because this dress is kind of thin, which makes it kind of easier to squeeze, like this. Also these shorts. I actually got these shorts from my cousin. I don't know why I didn't return it to her, but like a few years ago, back in Bohol, I think,
She gave that to you already?
I don't know, like
Hindi naman yung natasapan niya yan.
our bags were at a different city, and then, naalala mo yun?
Umiram ka?
Yes. I didn't. Bakit kasi nandyan yan sa luggage? Luggage natin.
Kapitagis ba yan?
Yes. Pero I'm sure matangkad na siya. So, baka hindi na yan.
Nagbatangad ka ba nga sa kanya?
Yes, guys. I don't know how, but I'm taller than most my cousins. Most of my female relatives. I'm taller than them. I don't know why. Like, I'm gifted with my dad's genes.
Oh?
Yes, I'm so lucky, diba? And
So, hindi ka gifted ng jeans ko.
well, I am gifted with your genes because if I was not, I wouldn't be this beautiful.
Lala!
And I wouldn't be this payat because my mom was so slim back in her college days.
You are smart.
Yes.
Yay!
Oh. I may not have a perfect in my exams, but they're really hard. And I put effort in my work, like before the exams. I put effort in my activities.
Social naman tong labandera, English speaking.
Yes, I usually forget to speak English. Sorry na, I'm sorry if that happens sometimes. But now in this video, I feel like I'm so Englishera.
Labandera, Englishera.
Yes. But sometimes talking does distract me from, hindi naman. It does. It's a pretty normal day now, so I don't really have anything to talk about. Because recently my school had a sem break. It's another school week. So, I had to self-study. I'm not sure what are happening to my friends right now, but sana naman, I hope they're studying
Hindi
too.
ba kayo nag-chat?
We are,
Ano ka
but,
ba nagpapag-chat?
huh?
Sino ba ang constant chatmate mo?
My classmates. We don't really chat about school stuff, just things we enjoy.
Anime?
Maybe. Maybe chismes. Maybe crush. But we don't really talk about crushes. That's why my friends don't get crushes. I'm not saying that I do too, but... Wait, tapos na!
Tapusin mo muna yung basahin. Wait lang.
Matatapos na rin yung 10 minutes. So I hope the transfer. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put my clothes to the washing machine now. So, yeah.
You can sit down naman.
Nah. Okay, that was pretty easy.
You put water.
There's no struggles in putting clothes in the washing machine. Pretty easy. Parang exercise na to. Parang exercise na to, guys.
Okay, now. Okay. Put sabon.
So I'm gonna put one, huh?
One and
One and a half on. So this is one, guys. Asan ba yung half dyan?
Yan. Lagay mo na yun dyan.
This is the half. Half ba to? Half?
Baka yung kanina ang half.
Ang busin mo. Okay. O baka kanina ngayon half.
Tapos i-close ko muna sa dali. Wait lang.
Okay. Ayan na. Wait, what is this?
Ay, use that.
15. 15, diba?
Okay.
Okay.
Muna. Dito
So,
muna.
ano na, guys?
Dito ka muna. Ako lang dyan.
Dito muna ako, guys. Dito muna ako sa harapan. Dito tayo, guys.
Magpitan ka na. Yung mga ano.
Pero wala akong mausapan. I don't have...
Ano wala akong mausapan?
Ay, wala akong mapag-usapan.
Hindi. Magtingin ito ulit sa ano mo. Sa...
Okay, let's do this once more.
Wait, bakit madilim?
Wait, ako na nga mag-light. Tingin. I don't know what else to say, guys, but...
Yeah, but this video na ano, yung 12 subscribers ka na.
So, we just hit 12,000 subscribers.
Wow,
This feels
congratulations!
like, yeah, this feels like last month. Like last month, naka 10,000 tayo, guys. Like, this year we achieved so many, and it's happening so fast, diba? Imagine, like,
Dahil sa Labada series.
yes. So yeah, really, I
Don't
hope,
touch that.
so really, I hope na ano,
Road to
road to 100K, guys.
para
But
sa...
first road to, we gotta
20K.
start from small. Yeah, 20K, guys. What will we achieve in 20K? Like, will they give us like a copper play button?
No, wala na. Pag-weekly ang start server.
Okay. Guys, dapat may copper play button. Sa totoo lang. Oh my gosh, you guys! We have the copper play button. Diba? Pero yeah,
So, kasi
I want
it's already,
to...
ano na, big milestone.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah, ang daming tao kaya yun.
Hmm.
Yeah, imagine like being in a cafe and you serve 10,000
Customers?
people. Yes, imagine that's already a big number. Like, I just want to thank my supporters, my fans,
Members.
my members, my
Sponsors.
donators, si Lyle,
No, it's called donors.
and my donors. Yes, I would like to thank you all for that. It's just surprising and amazing and unbelievable that we reached this goal. So I'm really happy. And I hope
May nagsabi
someday,
nga, ano eh, rich kid ka daw kasi nag-Starbucks ka.
lahat, guys, ako yung nagbayad yun, guys.
Mga rich kid ka nga. Dahil
Rich
sa
kid.
sponsors.
Yes. Rich kid ako, guys, pero it's not from my mom. The money is not from my mom or my dad. It's from me.
So, hindi ka, nepo baby.
No, kasi hindi naman kayo politician, di ba? Because nepo babies are usually for politicians. Like, that's what they say. But my mom isn't a politician. She's a lawyer, guys. But maybe she will run for mayor someday, di ba?
Manifesting.
Yes. She'll be a good mayor, guys, I promise. She's not gonna be corrupt. She's not gonna take all your money, promise. Like, boto. Iboto niyo na siya, guys. Advance boto.
Siya na ba?
Hindi pa. How many minutes has it been?
Ayun, no, may
It's
nakanap.
been 6 minutes. Like, 6 minutes.
Dalawang lang tayo. Tapos, continuous.
Yes.
Hindi ka naman nakanap.
Gusto yung chips?
Minsan pa, you want?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Ganda ah.
Guys, this is Nova.
Snacks.
This one is cheese flavored. It's my favorite. Guys, ang sarap nito. No?
Ano bang ibang snack natin? Hungry.
Hopefully naman, bumili si Daddy.
So, you're back to school bukas.
But it's shortened period.
Sa main kayo eh. Main ba? Ano nangyari? Baka pa naman doon pag maulan.
May power outage na naman ata.
Saan yan?
Yeah. Because the last time na pumasok ako, nawala yung power eh.
Oo nga, hindi. Saan ko yung mahaba? Last Monday.
Alam mo, like, whenever the power goes out in our school, like, yung mga juniors ko, sinisigaw talaga ng todo, like, grabe sigaw nila. Oo. Parang, it's just too much. Like, it's not a big deal. Chill out. Chill out, guys. Mas maganda pa nga na walang ilaw eh. Sa totoo naman.
Ano naman, hairphone.
Ay, oo nga.
Maliwanag ba ang room niyo kung walang ilaw? Maliwanag ba ang room niyo?
Yeah, meron kaming parang solar light every time the power goes out. How does solar light even work?
Ano? Galing charge sa sun. Kaya doon maliksik pang upuan natin natin.
But our classroom is close na room. So how does the sun charge it?
Charge is yata at pag pag hindi na lang. Another 10 minutes pagkatapos ng pagsihan. Masyadong maisip na. Ayun, isang chair na ganyan din. Masyadong maano ko eh. Nababa sa kitang chair ko. Huwag mo tanggalin yung sabon kasi gagamitin ko pa yung doon sa mga puti. Tignan mo sa tubig, di ba? Tinuruan na kita.
Yes.
Kung pumunta ng SM, magpagawa ng salamin eh.
Upo nga ako.
Ha?
Wait lang.
Bakit?
Upo nga ako para lang.
Mahirap kaya umupo.
Talaga?
Oo, para maabutin.
Okay.
Iganon mo kasi ng sa tubig para hindi gano'n siya ganyan. Nakumaro pa ng konti dito kasi alam naman yung nagbabantay ng gilid. Yan.
Nakabra naman ako.
Ha?
Nakabra naman ako.
Oo, pero sa gilid dito ba tinitin no? Okay. Kaya gusto itong humarap. Mga tao na ano. Servert. Servert ba?
Yes.
Birthday ni Tita Brooke ngayon bukas. Birthday naman ang anak ng babae.
Wow.
So nag-birthday siya. Baka nag-start na sumagot ang kanya. Ang payat-payat ng picture siya. Ano, napansin mo?
Huh? Bakit?
Ano mo?
Wait, can we not talk about this habang nag-video?
Wag lang.
Siya.
Wag lang. Pag sa Amerika, nakikita kayo doon.
Hindi ko na lang siya kapansin.
Uy, kailan yung Scrabble?
Ha?
Kailan yung Scrabble?
Sa November, pero ano?
Dapat magpalista ka. Kanino ka ba magpalista?
Tatanungin ko pa yung picture ko.
Bakit? Isa ka ba nakatayo?
Yes, that's for that.
Mali ka sa ano? Sa Scrabble.
Magaling ako dun.
Tapos ang announcement ng winner kaya pag family day ka next year.
Bakit kaya ganyan?
Ayan talaga. Para bibo, doon ba kami doon? Ang bagal mo naman. Hindi naman madami ang hawakan mo eh. Yan. Tapos itigain mo lang.
No, it's stuck together.
Ha?
It's stuck together. I can't get it out.
na ba ang mga dumi? Tingin mo?
Ano na? Hindi man ito. Ano na? Ay, natanggal na.
Ano rin?
Ito. Sila pa itong sigain.
Sige, huwag mo siya itong pigain. Pasok mo 12? 12 to 4? 12, 1, 2, 4 hours lang?
Di ba 5? 5 hours?
Hindi, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours lang. Hindi mo naman isama yung 12 sa pag-count eh.
Oh.
Hindi 0 hour pa yun.
Okay guys.
Ano ngayon?
Here's banlaw.
Banlaw na, banlaw time. Sana all, banlaw na. Okay na. Okay na.
Ayun, may towel.
Okay na yun, nakagalan ka na lang. Okay lang, pinipan. Madali lang naman yung ano yun. Pinihiyan na lang.
Here's banlaw lang. Yung i-video natin.
Oo. Okay na yan po, nakatatlong minutes na tayo.
So,
Hindi din naman nila yung nakatatlong panoorin.
nandiyan lang sila para sa Christmas.
Kasi tingnan lang nila na naglalaba ka ulit. Yun lang. May nag-comment na eh, nasabi. Kahit ano, mukhang social naman, tapos social na bata, pero naglalaba. Ganun. Social ka ba?
Ha?
Social ka ba? Kasi dahil nag-English ka.
Yes. Masyado na. I'm social kasi I talk a lot. I talk to people.
Siyabol ang tawag doon.
Ah,
Hindi social. Na, yun ako, ano na muna natin, papasok muna dyan natin.
okay.
Okay lang yun.
Okay guys, so hanggang watching lang tayo guys. So,
Next time naman yung ano,
Yes.
sampay.
yes guys, next time. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.